Okay, now we're going to sew the mallet. And I've wrapped the mallet with yellow yarn, and I'm done wrapping, and I've left approximately 2 feet left for sewing, and I've loaded it into a really big needle. Now, as you can tell, I'm using brown thread on a yellow mallet so you can see exactly where the stitches go. Okay, so it's sticking out from the bottom, and I start with the bottom. I take my needle and I put it up through next to the stick and come out about here. And then I pull this through all the way, making sure that it doesn't get tangled. And then I go back in next to the stick again and move a little farther to the left. Pull that all the way through. And as I'm doing this several times, you'll be able to see with this brown thread exactly where these are going. And they just go up a little bit to capture some of these wraps down near the bottom of the mallet. And that makes sure it doesn't unravel at all. Okay, it captures these. Oops, there we go, there's a good one. Grabs these, and again you go in near the bottom of the stick and come out a little ways up. Keep moving to your left until you've come back basically to where you started, and it works like that. Now if I turn this, you can see that there are about 6 or 7 stitches at the bottom. Okay, that should hold all of that. So then you go back in to move it up to the top. Remember, this would normally be yellow yarn on a yellow mallet because it's just what you had left over. So this moving to the top, you won't be able to see it. When I do it right now, well, you can see a little bit in there. But like I said, it'll be the same color and it won't matter. Now we move to the top. See, since we were going off center, there's a little bit of a crown there. We just sew the crown. So you go into the middle, and pull it back. Move to the left, go into the middle, and pull it back. And you probably go down maybe a 1/4 inch or less. So down to about here. Go into the middle and pull it back. There we go. And this one you do 6 or 7 times. Turn to the left. There you go. See how it's making stitches on the top also. Go into the middle, pull it back, a couple more, and that should have all the wraps at the top of the mallet gathered up so they don't unravel. See, let's go right under here and catch that one. Come back. Well, that wasn't the prettiest thing, but you can see how that works. Now to finish, you go back down to the bottom, or even out the side here. Go out to the side, pull it through all the way, and then just cut it off right where it comes out. And that won't show because remember that's the same color normally. And there you go. What is that? 7, 8 stitches on the top and 5 or 6 stitches on the bottom, and that gathers it all up and you're done.